Welcome to Intelligence Technology. Today we explore AI readiness gaps, Hollywood's adaptation, autonomous vehicle probes, and the future of human control. A recent study reveals that only 9% of Indian finance aspirants feel prepared for an artificial intelligence-driven job market. The research indicates a significant disparity between those who understand these tools and those who do not. Approximately 56% of respondents believe automation is making their desired career paths increasingly difficult to secure. This sentiment mirrors global trends where nearly 60% of graduates view AI as a barrier to employment. Experts warn that without targeted training, the gap between current skills and market demands will continue to widen rapidly. Award-winning writers and directors in Hollywood are now taking temporary work to teach artificial intelligence their specific creative skills. This shift occurs as industry earnings tighten and traditional roles face increased competition from automated systems. These creatives are actively training models to replicate screenwriting techniques and production workflows to offset financial losses. The move represents a unique adaptation where professionals use gig work to preserve their influence over emerging technology. It highlights a growing trend of artists leveraging AI rather than resisting it in the current economic climate. Waymo has submitted documents to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration regarding a child collision investigation. The agency requested detailed responses to specific questions about the autonomous vehicle's decision-making process during the incident. Waymo's submission contains no visible text as all answers are redacted under the claim of confidential business information. This lack of transparency raises questions about how quickly self-driving companies can disclose critical safety data. Regulators will need to determine if this approach hinders their ability to assess potential risks associated with autonomous technology. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have officially returned to the United Kingdom after spending several years in California. Their departure from the royal family occurred in early 2020 and marked a significant shift in their public life. They announced a new partnership focused on media deals that are significantly reduced compared to their previous arrangements. This move suggests that fame alone can no longer guarantee commercial success in the modern entertainment industry. The couple is now navigating a different landscape where traditional celebrity status does not automatically translate into wealth or influence. Timothy Garton Ash argues that artificial intelligence is advancing faster than humanity's ability to control it effectively. He fears that even catastrophic scenarios on the scale of historical events would not guarantee human self-protection against these technologies. Current experts in Silicon Valley predict an extraordinary takeoff for artificial intelligence within the next couple of years. This rapid acceleration creates a situation where sober prophecies about safety seem increasingly optimistic and potentially misplaced. The core concern remains whether society can keep pace with the speed at which machines are becoming more capable. Thank you for watching Intelligence Technology. Subscribe now to get the next bulletin delivered daily.